Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you one of my experiments that I try to do kind of a background and then let it dry and pour transparent base slash my pouring medium and do some swipes with black and white and sprinkle some silicone oil over to add kind of a lightening effect. I had this space storm vision in my eye. It didn't go exactly as I planned. I did want some textured background, so it was kind of, I don't know, I didn't do it the good way. I just didn't, but it was my first try to do that. And I will definitely explore this more because it's interesting and I learned a lot. And that's why I love doing experiments, because experiments sometimes just don't work as planned, but if you learn something that you can implement in your other paintings or creativity projects, it's okay. So it's not bad. Don't stop watching, please. Give me a chance, and maybe you have some suggestions too. It was fun experiment and fun playing with paint, so I enjoyed a lot and learned a lot. So watch the video and tell me in the comments what you think about this idea, not necessarily the final result.
So here she is dry. Not exactly what I envisioned, but those veining kind of lightening worked okay. Just want to do my background a little differently. I want to have it kind of with the texture. That's why I did add that pearl paste kind of, so it has some 3D look, but I just didn't blend the colors like I was wanting or hoping or whatever. But it's not bad for my first try. But the main thing was to see how this will work, that transparent base, and swipes and sprayed silicone oil on worked really well. So I will continue this series and try to do a better job on the background. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.